I'm bored. I just took some NyQuil, so I'm probably gonna be asleep all day and be up all night. Darcy! Dog. Come here. Come here, baby. Oh, shit. Here. What would happen if I were to just... Hold up, guys. By the way, I rearranged my room completely so y'all will have different views. Like, remember... One of my best views now. Before, I had it, like, right here. I mean, this is where my shelf was, and you guys would see me from, like, right here. Now y'all see me from, like... Hey, my baby. Come on. I got you on the phone. Come on. I want to see what would happen if I just open my mouth in front of her. That would be funny. Why is it the first thing you do? I wanted you to sniff, not... There is something wrong with you. Okay, so that's it. I wanted to do it, but then she jumped off my bed. So then I was like, hey, maybe I can give them a tour of my new view. Okay, and shout outs to Anna Ev, Thailand, Ellie, and Sutton.